Okay, we will find the LCM or the least common multiple of 3x plus 6 and 4x plus 8. So, una, i-factor muna natin itong 3x plus 6. Okay, factor ng 3x plus 6. So, paano natin siya i-factor? So, we will apply or we will use the GCF, yung greatest common factor. Okay, so, yung 3x, i-factor natin yan. So, that is 3 times x. I-factor natin yung 6, that is 2 times 3. Okay? Then, yung common nila ay 3. So, ibig sabihin, yung factor natin dito, si 3, then x, tapos plus 2. So, ito yung factored form ng 3x plus 6. The next, i-factor naman natin yung 4x plus 8. So, this is 4x. Factor natin yan. Ay, sorry. Pwede natin yung 2 times 2. Okay? 2 times 2 times x. Diba? Then, yung 8, factor natin yan. So, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So, yung GCF dito is isang 2, isang 2. So, 4. 4 yung GCF. So, ilabas natin yung GCF na 4. Tapos, x, isang factor, and positive 2. Okay? So, ito yung dalawa. Ngayon, multiply natin yan si 3 times 4. Okay? So, 3 times 4 is 12 times, kopyahin natin yung x plus 2. X plus 2. So, this is the least common multiple of 3x plus 6 and 4x plus 8.